Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve 99 squared in a very simple way or trick I have learned and I want to share with you. So to start with, we have 99 squared. So what we are going to do is take this first one, which is 9, and write 9 squared, which we all know as 81. So we put 81 at one side here. And take the second one, which is also 9, and write it as we did the first one. So 9 squared becomes 81 as well. So now we have 81. Okay, what next? What we do next is multiply these two times this squared. So now we will get 9 times 9 giving us 81 times the squared, making it 162. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add. So we add 162 here. We just add 0, which means nothing, under it, and find our sum. 0 plus 1 is basically 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we add 1 to this side. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 gives us 8. And 8 plus 1 clearly gives us 9. So now 99 squared can clearly be stated as 9,801. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.